Okay, in this question we've got some expanding brackets, some factorising and some solving. Brilliant. Let's go. So the first one is a double bracket expansion, and what we need to do is crab claw method. So x times x gives us x squared, x times 2 gives us plus 2x, and then we deal with the bottom. 7 times x gives us 7x, and then 7 times 2 gives us 14. It says to simplify, so that's going to be x squared plus 9x plus 14. Very quickly, what have we actually why does it work like this? Well, it's like I've got an area. I've got x here, 2 here, x here, 7 here. I've divided it up. I'm trying to find the area of this whole square. So I need my x squared, my 2x, my 7x, and my 14. I can only combine like terms, which is why I combined the x's, but not anything else. Right, next one, factorize completely. That completely, and the fact that it's 2 marks is a bit of a hint, because you can actually take an x out of both expressions, but you can also take a 2 out, and to do it fully, you need to take both out. So the highest common factor in these is 2x. 2 goes into both 2 and 6, but nothing higher does. X goes into both of these, but nothing higher does in terms of x or y. Right, we take our 2x out, and then we think, what do I need to multiply my 2x by to give 2x squared? X. And then what do I need to multiply 2x by to give minus 6y minus 3y? So that will all work, and you can check it. You can sort of think, yeah, I'm going to do crab claws. I missed the crab up here, sorry. Anyway, that's how we do it. Right, finally, solve this thing here. This is a quadratic equation, but it's not quite as we want it. So what we need to do is put in an extra step. We always get it, so it's equal to 0. X squared plus 5x minus 24 equals 0. Why do we do that? Because now we can try and put it into double brackets. That's the most effective way of solving quadratics. You can't actually always work, but I reckon it's probably going to work here. Let's see. So we need two numbers and multiply to give, because right, I know I'm going to put an x here and an x here. Oh, not there. Here. And I need two numbers here and here that are going to multiply together, like when we did the crab claws up here, to give minus 24, and they're going to add to 5. Because if you look at this, the 7 and the 2 add to 9. That's how it always works when you multiply this out, when you just have an x squared by itself. So let's just try some 8 and 3, but one of them is going to be negative. So that will work if we do 8 and minus 3. So we can do x plus 8, x minus 3. That will give us the minus 24 when we multiply, and the plus 5x when we expand those bits out. Okay, we're not quite done. So what now? I'm multiplying two things together to give 0, so it must be that one of them itself is 0. You don't multiply like 2 times 4 and get 0. It must be that either this bracket is 0, x plus 8 equals 0, or x minus 3 equals 0. And then we get that x is going to be either minus 8 by solving that first equation, or 3 by solving the second equation. You can just take the reverse of the sign, but I'm just trying to explain where that's come from.